Welcome guys to this particular video. So in this video I want to show you how to rightly send money from your PayPal to another person's PayPal account. Now this method is for people that you trust, all right? Maybe your friends, your family members. This is the video, but if it's a business you are buying, okay, you are going to watch. I'm going to also show you what to do when you are doing it for business. The video covers both of them. So on this particular method, I'm using my smartphone right here, all right, and I'm not in desktop view, so this is just the normal view. You can do this on your laptop as well, all right? So it's the same thing. So when you come down, you're going to see add funds, transfer fund. Do not use this transfer fund. Transfer fund is when you are withdrawing to your bank account. Okay, so what you have to click is to click on the menu button right here. When you click on the menu button, you're going to click on pay and get paid. All right, so you're going to click that. Same thing when you are using it on your desktop view on your laptop. So you're going to click pay and get paid. Then you're going to scroll down to where you're going to see send money. Okay, so that's what you want to click, send money. So you're going to click send money. So once you click send money, it's going to load up for you, and on this particular place you're going to see the PayPal account. I'm going to blur this as much as possible. So you're going to see where they said send money to what? Name, username, email, mobile phone number. So these are the four informations you provide of the person you are sending to, that you can be able to get their name. So okay, so let's say you want to send to a friend, just them to send their PayPal number, their PayPal email, and then tell them to send you their PayPal email, and you just copy and paste it here. So once you put the person's name, it's going to pop up the person's name, and once you pop out the person's name, just click on the person's name like I'm doing to this particular person, and it's going to take you to the next page. So in this page you're just going to identify the amount you want to send to the person, and then you're going to type what for. Sometimes you just put what you are sending the money for. Just say upkeep. You are sending this as friends and family. I'm teaching you how to send this as friends and family. While I'm doing this, I'm going to explain to you the business side of it, but I'm sending it as friends and family. So if I'm sending to my friend, I just want to give them upkeep money, just put anything. You can just put a sticker and all. Okay, now you're going to click next again. So once you click next, it's going to pop this for you, because it will tell you choose a payment method. Now if you are using it on the desktop view, the method may be different. All right, the method may be different. So but you want to watch for where you are seeing friends and family. Now originally PayPal always choose goods and services. Now if you send this to your friend as goods and services, and they need the money urgently, maybe you're trying to give them something to take care of themselves for the week, this money will be withheld in their account. So what you want to choose is friends and family. Do not forget that. Choose friends and family. You're going to click continue again. All right, now when you click on continue, some of you may just get to this place, and some persons you may not see that place where they're going to tell you friends and family initially. They will just bring you here. So here where you're seeing these two human icons here, that's where you're going to click again, and you can choose friends and family. In case if you do not see it initially, you just do it here and click on continue. All right, so these are the two methods that you're going to do it. The moment you see all of this, anything that makes you click send here, even if it is on goods and services here, it's going to go as goods and services. Okay, you don't want to do that. So if you send to your friend, except you are buying a goods from a friend or a vendor, so you can do it as goods and services, so that if you do not receive the goods, you can always ask PayPal for a refund. But this method does not have a refund. People cannot refund it, they will send to the person. So that's why you do this to the people that you trust. Okay, so just in case you did not see the friends and family over there, the previous page, and they bring you straight up to this page, maybe you're doing it on your desktop view and discover that in desktop view and in laptop they do different functionalities and all, but it's the same method. So just look for this human icon and choose friends and family, then click on the send button, and once you click on the send button, this money is going to go to the person. On this particular one, I'm not sending this money to anybody, I'm just using it to do as a tutorial for you. So guys, that is all that you need to know how to send money to another PayPal account, to a friend that you trust, and as well as a business. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So kindly like this video, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials like this. So until I see you in the next video, stay connected and stay informed.